Well, it's Thanksgiving, and we're at the Shabin.
Yeah, and we learned last night that part of being self-sufficient is not relying on gizmos and gadgets like
Propane heat.
yeah, thermocouples and pilot lights and because all that stuff can fail. And it did last night.
It did.
So-
Our first night back, and we jacked with that heater all night. So on today's list of things to do,
First and foremost,
we need heat.
yeah,
And it's not that.
no,
It's that.
right. So obviously in this small space we're trying to conserve as much as possible, so we are going to push this as far back in the corner as we can. We are going to put steel on these walls so they'll be protected. There'll be a heat shield from the combustible materials, but we're going to try and scoot it back as far as we can. And then we're going to put steel from the floor to ceiling and
Around the window.
yeah, it should be good. So. First we need to move this massive thing.
Okay. Are you wanting to just set it on this and then eventually slide it back, or?
It doesn't. We can. I doubt it'll slide, right?
Okay. Nice.
Right. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that.
Yes. Smells all.
Yep. 7, which will put that the pipe at about 15 inches. Not quite as far as we want, but
15 inches from the wall. Gotcha.
they want 18 inches of clearance, but it's only single wall up until about here. So for about 3.5 feet, it's only single wall. Then it's triple wall all the way through, anyways.
Are those blades out in the truck?
See that Velcro thing on the side?
Kind of you want. Not metal. Nail embedded wood.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want a long one or a shorty?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Good question. Short might be okay.
Okay.
I honestly would normally like drill a hole, measure center, drill a hole in the center, and do it from the roof.
Yeah.
Except the roof has about 2 inches of snow on it right now, and it's snow and ice, and I'm just gonna have to do it from in here. So don't.
Might still help to drill a hole, but I guess what's the point?
Yeah, I don't know.
Just hack it.
Just go. There's officially a hole in the roof. No
Alright.
turning back now.
Nope.
Nobody sleeps right here anyway.
No, it's fine.
Oh my gosh.
Now we really have a hole.
Holy cow.
Holy cow.
You guys might hear a sound in the back now that we have this giant hole in the cabin. It's a train. If you're ever out here wandering around and you get lost, just go to the train. If you hear the train, walk towards the train. You'll find the tracks. Don't worry, one comes by every 3 days. Should be fine. You'll be all right.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Just wait 3 days. It's only 20 degrees.
Sooner or later, a train will come by, and then you'll know where the tracks are. Walk to the tracks.
Amen.
Okay. let me see that box. See if
Okay.
it fits in here.
Just whatever you do, put the label towards you can't see. Oh my
See
gosh.
that? So I gotta trim this upper one because I cut it square. It needs to be cut straight up and down.
Oh, got it.
See that?
Okay.
My bad.
Terrible.
Whew.
Money.
There it is.
And that's just to protect inside. With insulation and wood.
It's a bit overkill for what we're doing, but we're going to get a lot of water coming here and down in right now. But this is supposed to protect if you have a ceiling and insulation. It keeps the stovepipe away from everything that would be in your attic.
Got it.
But we don't have such a thing.
Okay, now what do you need?
Can you hold this here? And I just want to go outside and make sure it's up high enough on the roof.
Yes.
And then what we'll probably do is just screw it to this 2x4.
Okay.
Got it?
Yep.
There's a pencil here.
Okay.
When I tell you it's good, just scribe a line up there. That way we can always
Okay.
refer back to that.
All right.
Right there looks really good.
Okay.
Draw a line.
Okay. All right, holds itself.
Yeah.
Oh, it's raining on me.
No, you gonna melt?
Yes.
Oh gosh.
Melting. All right.
I'd like to get a 2x4 and go across here
Okay.
and then into it this way.
Okay.
You have any?
No. What's that, tubes?
Jeez, man. About killed me.
Jason had to extend the ladder.
Huh? Shh, quiet.
It's a little sketchy, but it works. Do with what you got. It's Thanksgiving, so
The worst,
even if we could run to town, there's nothing
the worst
open.
part about this is at Menards I had two options. There's this one, and then there's a flatter one. And
You should have got the flatter one.
well, I think we'll make this work. I think it'll be okay. But
Okay.
it might, I think it'll be fine.
Okay.
Okay.
So we'll take this 1,000-pound Jotul off of this heat protector.
Okay.
Slide the heat protector back. If there's any more, should we sweep that one more
I
time?
should sweep it and then probably get the moisture off of it, so it's not
Okay.
take forever.
I did get up there and shoveled and swept the roof off, so a lot of that water that would be coming down
Maybe we'll stop.
should be gone. So this is very interesting how these Jotels are designed. I mean, it's like a maze in here if you haven't ever seen one. And there are literally, it's like a jigsaw puzzle. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces in here. And I would have to believe the way this works is that it, rather than letting the heat go directly out the chimney, all these puzzle pieces are designed to retain the heat and hold it, and then let the smoke actually has to come up over this piece down into the chimney and out. It's pretty neat, actually.
It is pretty neat. That's pretty neat.
I like it.
Think it's dry enough?
Cheers.
Okay, so we're going this way with it,
Unfortunately.
further away. Okay.
Gosh.
It's so heavy. Okay. I broke my ankle.
Dozer, stay right there, okay, buddy? Don't move. Don't move. You stay right there.
Kevin's come and check it out too.
Okay.
Hold on a second. I need to put this. So these mats aren't like the best quality. Hopefully this front
You
side
think
looks
this
a little-
side's better?
Well, so this lip doesn't cover, like it doesn't go all the way down.
That one, that corner is the only one it really does.
Yeah,
Is that square in there?
looks a little better. For a square, no. Go, move it, mister. Right there. Look pretty good. Okay, alright, you do have to move. Go on, go. Just don't go too fast, take your time. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
It's good enough for now. We'll have to get the pipe up there a ways to see.
Okay, should square it up to the mat at least. My end.
There's no hole in it there.
Okay, that's good.
I mean, because
You won't know until we get it there. Okay.
Okay. The whole thing amazes me.
It's, it's not coming off.
That's. You're really aggressive.
Oh, you don't want that.
Leave it there.
Okay.
All right, put some chimney pieces together.
Is this a two-person job?
Not usually. They should clip together like those vinyl floors, you know?
Yeah. See that? Hey, if we need just 2,
3 looks like.
3.
Well, in a perfect world. So that triple wall or whatever, that expensive pipe,
Yep.
it's supposed to hang about 4 to 6 inches down from that box.
Okay.
No closer than that to the box.
Okay.
So I'd say let's put 3 together. One's gonna have to be cut, I bet.
Okay.
Boy, that's close to the wall. We gotta get steel on there for sure.
And as far as the window, that just hopefully will be okay. Hopefully. The blinds are
It
not.
just reminds me of the one we have at home.
Yeah.
And, if that one has been okay for 5 years, I'm pretty sure this one will be okay.
Okay. Well, I know these have to come down.
Yeah, those can't stay on the bar. Now, I'll go outside.
Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna have to make this one. It came apart. I just feel like they should snap better, like snap together better than they do. God, this thing is a piece of crap. What? No, it's the one you cut. No, it's fine. I'll make it work. Alright, I'll just need your patience.
I'm fine.
Okay,
Tell me when to leave, if I need to leave it up.
hold on. Nope. Just. Yeah. Sorry. The damn thing isn't round, so.
What do you want me to do?
Nothing.
Go down, up, down, same?
Just stay where you're at for the moment until I get everything.
So heavy.
We're good.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay, now I gotta change this band. It's up too high. That thing you tighten it.
Oh, okay. Should have handed you the tools while we still had a hole. On my way out.
Depends, I mean, however hot this chimney is right here,
Yeah.
it could be too close to this plastic and stuff.
Well, we're gonna find out.
We are.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you need now?
Uh,
That piece?
And everything, she shoved in there as far as she goes for sure.
I
Or do you
think
think?
so.
Because if I can shove it in there further, then I won't have to move that collar. Like I wish this.
Oh, it went. No kidding. I put pressure on earlier and this piece exploded apart.
There you go. Let's hope it doesn't do that when it's burning.
Right.
Well, let's see how close that is.
Okay.
We're all happy with that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right. We are
Right on.
making progress. It's like putting the star on the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dun, dun, dun.
Hello. What do you think?
I think it's awesome. Couple more little things and
Light it up.
light it up. See if
All we
it'll-
need is the rain collar now
Okay.
and a band-aid.
And a band-aid.
That's it.
Okay.
Wax starters. Is that okay?
Yeah. Use a wax starter. Why wouldn't you?
Not sure why I would.
Okay. Here it goes.
Everything's wet, so I don't know how this first attempt will go, but cheating as much as possible with that wax starter. You hear a lot of sizzling, and that's not good.
So far the smoke is going out. Up and out, up and out.
I'm going to go beat around the bush and try to find some drier sticks.
Okay.